You ever hear this one here yet? If you can't catch Quako, you catch him shut. No? Well, let me share with you the possible origins of this one here from way back when. Remember the story them from long ago? Way back when. We make you laugh like when rain a fall and breeze a blow. Way back when. If you want to rekindle the joy there in your soul. Way back when. Tell everybody you know to come and join the show. Way back when. Way back when. Way back when. Anansi and Brother Tiger did live in the same village. But nobody never did too trust Anansi. You see, Anansi did full of tricks and him always up to some kind of mischief. Now, one dry season, Anansi say him all start to fall apart. Him roof a leak and the wall them lean. So him go borrow a rope from Brother Tiger to see if he can pull back his house together. So Anansi go to Brother Tiger for borrow the rope. Brother Tiger hear Anansi begins and look upon him with a serious face.
Anansi, me a go lend you the rope, but you better bring it back by tomorrow.
Anansi smile up himself.
Me woulda never thief from your Brother Tiger. Me's a honest man.
So him lend Anansi the rope to fix up his house. And Anansi promised to bring it back by the next day. But as usual, Anansi disappear like smoke. Brother Tiger wait 1 day, 2, 3 days pass. No Anansi. Brother Tiger start get vexed.
Me know Anansi a play games with me, you know. Me a go catch him today.
So Brother Tiger stomp through the village and look for Anansi. Him stop by Brother Rabbit yard.
You see Anansi?
Brother Rabbit shake his head.
No, sir. He missing like goat pants set up there.
Brother Tiger go by Brother Donkey yard.
You see Anansi?
Brother Donkey laugh.
Me no see me no. But me hear same damn yard. Him probably a hide here.
Brother Tiger march straight to Anansi yard. But when him reach, the little trickster already gone. Brother Tiger noticed something. Him noticed that Anansi house was in perfect condition. So him start to wonder what really a go on. Brother Tiger huff and puff.
That spider think him smart, you see? But if me can't catch him, me a go catch something where belong to him.
So Brother Tiger start look round the yard. To feel him surprise, him see Anansi brand new hammock. String up nice and neat with the same piece of rope we him borrow. Brother Tiger grin.
Ah, me find me rope. Okay. And that him use it for.
Him rip down the hammock, fling it over him shoulder and march back home. Later in the evening, Anansi come back well tired. Stretch out him hand fi lay down. And a lay back. Him drop brap! Flat a ground.
But, me hammock. I want me hammock gone. Who thief me hammock?
Brother Rabbit peek over the fence and bust out a laugh.
Brother Tiger did come and look for you. But him couldn't catch you. And if you can't catch Quako, you catch him shut.
Anansi skin up his face and rub his head.
Me can't believe this.
The next day, Anansi go fi try beg back the hammock. But when he reach Brother Tiger yard, Brother Tiger done turn the rope and one swing for him pitney them. Brother Tiger lean up and smile.
Anansi, just want you know you still owe me a rope, you hear?
Anansi just mumble and walk away, cause him know him cause this pan himself. And from that day, anytime someone can solve a problem one way and them find another way to solve it, them always say, if you can't catch Quako, you're catching shut. And remember say Anansi caused the same day from way back when.